Okay, we are back in Minecraft, but with horror mods. Oh, in the last video, we found this like village thing, so we have like a place to live now. So I'm gonna go into the mines and try get some iron. So, what is happening? I'm hearing so many noises. I think we should make a mine here. Make our own little mine. Oh my gosh! Wait. Oh my gosh, that is actually insane. Okay, that creeper was actually, like, scary. What is happening? I think I should make some more torches. What am I doing? Let's place some torches here so no mobs or monsters spawn. Whoa. Why did that scare me so much? Just keep on mining something. Oh my gosh! It's like mimicking the sounds. No, that's happening. Oh my gosh! Just let me mine. Let me mine in peace. I was about to block that off. That was actually so scary. I didn't even react. Where is the iron? Why does it scare me more than the actual monsters? Is it nighttime? Oh. Wait. I don't even know if this method works for iron. But I'm gonna try it anyway. Because I don't know any other way to get iron. What? Wait. Okay, after the video I'm gonna probably like translate that. If there anything was there. Am I just imagining stuff? Because I swear there was something that... I swear there was something there. Okay, I guess let's just leave this mine. Try to find a natural cave because this is just not going to work. This is just like, I don't know what to do. Every second there's something happening. When there's only like 5 horror mods like that actually do stuff. Why does that guy look like that? This is a really bad biome as well. Okay, and I'm gonna stop being scared and actually go for it. I don't want to go in there. Okay, yeah, I'm going back. I'm going through the ocean. I don't wanna... You can't see nothing. What the? No, I need that. I cannot see a thing. What do I even do? My torches. Oh my gosh, it's just a fish. Yo, I think I just lost my axe and my torches. Yo, what do I do? Get away, fishies. Should I risk it and make a boat? How deep is this? Oh wait, Where's my crafting table gone? I've lost the crafting table. Do I have enough for a boat? Can you fishies get away? I don't know what to do. Should I just go over there? Should I stay here? I'm not going to hold any items actually because they're just going to get thrown into the water. I'm going to lose them. Nope. What is that? What is that? Nope. What is that? What? Oh my god, that actually sounded so real. Okay, I actually thought, yo, I thought that was in real life. I feel like I noticed it straight away. Okay, I'm guessing that was just an iron golem. And I hope it was an iron golem that killed that zombie. But I'm not sure. I'm just gonna wait until night. Until day, I mean. Okay. What is that? Should I even go back? That's not very creepy in the daytime, though. Why is it 2? Villager, can you help? Pretty sure those guys can one-tap me. Like, this isn't even scary. It's just the ones that can actually do something that are scary. Because I know these 2 can, like, do something. But... okay, come on, let's just go. Where did he go? I just said if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, but like, I wanna be jump scared. Yo, that's low-key not scary at all. Rotato, you ain't scary. You're just annoying. I don't know. Okay, maybe it is a bit scary. At least I can see out this door. Is it still there? I think it's still there. I can't do nothing. I might have to remove a mod actually, mid-vid video, because it's low-key just too hard. I can't do nothing. I'm gonna block that off. So yeah, I'm probably gonna remove one of the mods because I can't progress in the game. I cannot get diamonds. Like, it's like day 5 or something, day 6, day 7, I don't know. And I haven't even got anything good. So I'm gonna remove one of the mods, and I'll be back when I do that. What? Errors in the selected data packs. I'm just gonna do safe mode. I don't know what that does. Oh wait, I'm cooked. Wait, what? Yo, I'm cooked. I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to do this video, but I think this might be the end of the world, the end of the series. I wasn't even able to do anything. Okay, I'm gonna try search up how to fix this. Okay, so I'm back. I'm hoping it's fixed. If not, I don't know. Okay, I think this might have to be the end of this series. I literally haven't even got diamonds or anything. If you know how to fix this, please put it in the comments, because like, I have zero idea at all. Like, I've tried searching it up, I did what it said, but it just isn't working, so bye.